Experience the magic of teamwork and innovation with the Thought Bulb's Radiant Mosaic Challenge, transforming individual creativity into a radiant, UV-lit work of art. This is not ordinary team-building activity. Instead of traditional painting, teams will illuminate their creativity by crafting a glowing mosaic. Each participant will work on a unique piece, ensuring it aligns with the bigger picture. But here's the twist. The final artwork remains a mystery until the grand UV reveal. Form teams and receive your Radiant Mosaic kit. A black canvas, special backlit sheets, and highlighters. Sketch, design, and fill your section with vibrant details. Work together to synchronize your pieces, ensuring colors, patterns, and designs seamlessly blend. Communication and teamwork are essential. The moment of truth. Watch in awe as your collaborative masterpiece is placed under UV light, unveiling a mesmerizing, glowing work of art, a powerful symbol of teamwork and shared vision. Are you ready to glow? Join us for the Radiant Mosaic Challenge and experience an unforgettable journey of creativity, collaboration, and leadership, all while crafting a luminous masterpiece.